Oh, so you've arrived. You, hello. And without any armor. It's pretty foolish of you. Hmm. So, your letter regarding an alliance, which is stupid to think that I'd even consider, but I thought I'd let you talk a little bit. Not foolish. Mm, but I have a feeling that even though you say in your letter that our ideals match up, I don't think that they really do. I serve a greater power, and I'm pretty sure you've already heard. How so? Have you heard of the Pale Lady before? What? What? This is really hard to do by myself, man. Come on. Uh. Oh, so you have. Oh, and I haven't heard your devotion to her. So, what do you serve necessarily? Where do your loyalties lie? Hmm. You don't serve anyone. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. Let's get to the main point, I guess. Yes, correct. Why do you want to ally with me? I know you said it in your letter before, but I like to hear more in depth of your reasoning necessarily. Because with my house being so far out here, I bet you could gather that I don't necessarily care for people like you. You take too long. Hmm. Delusional devices. Hmm. Well, of course. All right, all right, all right. Yes. So, I I guess a part of me is trying to wrap my head around this, you know? Like nobody interacts with me. Nobody talks to me because I so for a letter to come out of the blue, hey, I don't think that we've had even an interaction before. I can see what you mean. What do you mean? The spirits are drinking. I'm sorry, this is really hard to do. Of the others. Well, um, I will say I do admire that. Finally, somebody who isn't as foolish. All right. You know what? I'll play ball. We'll say we can be in an alliance, but if you try anything to cross me, trust me, it will not be pretty. Why does anyone do anything, really? Honestly. I mean, lots of motivations, lots of reasons. Because they're scared. Are you one to be scared easily? No. I like your confidence. This meeting is concluded. You can see yourself out. Mm-hmm. Rules. You're not doing a good job, Nix. I saw your head poking out like several times. And Rizzy, you
I
can't.
meant to do that.
Yeah, I know. Rizzy, you kept like holding it, like you kept holding a flower like mid. I was like, oh, the spirits, they've been holding.
The spirits are drinking.